Good evening once more. So this is a system called Bitly and how to track your links. To be honest, I don't actually use it myself. So I've got an autoresponder. So if I was promoting in Warrior Forum, for example, I would use something called a landing page. So once someone opts in rather, it gives me a notification of this happening and how many people have clicked it. It does all that within my autoresponder. Dashboard. That was from Warrior Forum. That's Facebook profile. Someone had sent a message to in Facebook who had been speaking to and things like that. But say for example, you don't have an autoresponder, but you are sharing your affiliate link in different places. Well, you can use Bitly to track it. So if I usually use a landing page so they can go on my email list, but such as Reddit I can't, so I use the affiliate links. If I go inside here, that's it there, so I can use that. So this is really simple. You get 100 links that you can create a month. So that would be, for example, one on Reddit, one on Facebook, one in Warrior Forum, one in Lead Sleep. Sorry, noise background. Or wherever you promote it. These are just places that I use. And it's really simple. Say you get 100 clicks, 100 links rather, a month, but you can upgrade and pay for more. But this video is about how to create your link. So you create new here. You can actually build a landing page, like a page I've shown you before. You can do that with Bitly now, and then you can shorten the links. So that was that. And you might want to title this Lead Sleep. So you're putting it on, which is quite a great platform for getting leads. And then you don't need all that and things like that. So I can create 5 more this month. If you want to upgrade, it's not a lot of money, so you just create your link, and that's the link there. So if we copy it here and just do that, it directs us to that affiliate link. So if you go here and just refresh it, I think it should give you the stats. Let me see. It's a while since I've done it. Maybe it doesn't. Analytics. That's given me over time. Perhaps it doesn't. You need to upgrade. I'm not entirely sure. Or does it? Yeah, so that's a new thing where you have to upgrade to see the amount of clicks. That's kind of unfortunate, but it wasn't that way the last time I used it. $10 a month, maybe that's a lot of money to you, maybe it's not. So you can see the results from that. So I think it was 100 links free. Now it's no, or different packages annually or monthly. So that's what you need to do if you're using Bitly to see the amount of clicks. So I've had this in the past. Squeeze page for just a general page. Twitter, emails, different things like that. So for analytics, then it gives you over all time. then the countries and things like that. So that is how you would create a link using Bitly. So it makes more sense to upgrade, I suppose, and that's how you would create a link with Bitly, and that's how you do it. But if you want to build a business, which we are actually doing, then take a look in the link in the description, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.